What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. Let me tell you guys, it's been a really long time since I've actually made a YouTube video. So I think it's been like 2 months. And if you guys can see, I got a TV up there. I got a bunch of crazy stuff that's happened in my life since the time period I've stopped uploading videos. But I'm gonna make a separate video, just updating everything just with me and my girlfriend. Probably in a couple days or so, that video will be up. But right now, I realized I'm like, yo, I haven't been doing my investing videos, and I actually really enjoy doing those. So before we get into this video, if you guys want to start investing, please download the Robinhood app down below. Sign up, get a free stock if you want to start investing, and use my referral link. And once you make a deposit, we'll both get 2 free stocks. And you can start investing there. You can start investing with as little as $1. That's it. That's all you need, and that is amazing. And then I also recommend Fidelity for another. That's what I personally use, is Fidelity for investing, because you could set up a second 401k, IRA, or traditional. Let's talk about like 3 things really before we jump into showing my portfolio. If you guys haven't noticed, the stock market has hit another all-time high, which indicates one thing. Two main things that really happened this week. They actually have a vaccine. That's going to be the first one. They actually have a vaccine that actually cures the COVID, what's been happening COVID-19. They cures, okay, because it's still being tested. I put quotations because it's still being tested, and it actually cured certain groups of people with COVID to 90% of the, like, it cured 90% of the actual, like, sickness, which is insane and pretty quick, to be honest with you. And everyone has their different beliefs of if the virus is actually real or not. But you guys can talk about that in the comments below. And then another one, which a lot of people don't like to talk about also, is politics. We had the election come up right here, and a lot of people thought the stock market was gonna plummet, and because the elections and everything like that, and it's crazy because they skyrocketed not because of Biden winning, but because of the vaccine. So when people try to, this comes into, oh yeah, congrats Biden, you know, fuck Trump, you dig, fuck him. That's actually fuck him. Yeah. For all my beginners out there that are starting to invest and everything like that, please don't try to time the market. The worst mistake you'll probably make in your whole life. Right now, the stock market hit another all-time high. People thought the stock market was gonna actually drop due to the election, right? And they were like, oh, it's gonna drop again, it's gonna drop again. If you just noticed, the S&P 500 just hit its all-time high again. If people left their money in there, they actually lost like a 10.8% gain from the S&P 500 or any other, pretty much the whole stock market essentially, right? The top 500 companies. So they lost 10% just from the S&P 500 if they were actually invested in it. So if they pulled their money out, they lost out all on that money. Now everything's so high, right? They're gonna try to time the market again and buy when it's low. But if you buy when it's high or low, it doesn't really matter, because dollar cost averaging, right? People try to get that down too. But there has literally been studies and proven things showing that if you kept money in your S&P 500, I think for 40 years, you would have had like $600,000. But if you missed only, like, I think it was 5 of the top days within the 40 years, you would only made 400,000, right? There's literally articles shown about it, okay? It's crazy, and people are just scared to lose money essentially, but people aren't realizing when you invest into the stock market, especially dividends, what I do, right? I invest into dividends. So whatever I'm investing for isn't for tomorrow, okay? People want to get rich tomorrow like that, and sometimes you can. Don't get me wrong, you can if you know what you're like doing with day trading and like cryptocurrency and stuff like that. You can get lucky and get rich all you want from there. That's good. Congratulations. But once again, not everyone can do it. So why try to do something you can't do because you don't know how to do it, right? In a sense, right? So why not do dividend investing, right? The way the richest one of the richest guys in the world got to be where he is. Berkshire Hathaway, that's his stock. It's Warren Buffett. He literally says if you're trying to get rich quick, it's gonna be harder than trying to do it slow and steady. That's his way of being, I guess, and doing how he did and what he did and how he got to where he is now. It's crazy how you can just take your time and actually stuff pays off instead of trying to rushing it and half-assing it in a sense, and then it won't work. But that's pretty much like what I want to break up for you guys to make sure you guys are investing constantly, even if it's 10 bucks a week. You can do that on Robinhood and Fidelity. On either of those, you can do dollar investing. You don't have to buy a whole share. So you guys can do that and set it up 10, 15, 20 bucks. At least it's something so it gets the ball rolling. So then whenever you get older and you start making more and more money, then you do like maybe 100 bucks a week. That's $5,200 a year, right? You say, oh, that's kind of a lot of money to some people, not a lot of money for some people. And that money can make you more money. Compound interest. They pay you, dividend stocks pay you a percentage of what you have invested. So you have to look into all that. And if you guys want me to, I'm gonna make another video for blue chip stocks, okay? That's what I invest into. I'll break that up in a future video for you guys, for all you guys that are like interested and want to learn about it. We're here at the portfolio, and right now, as you guys can tell, I'm at $15,543.40. I lost about $1,200 due to the fact that I quit my job at Frito-Lay. I don't know if I've talked about that at the channel yet, but as you guys can see right here, I used to have my Frito-Lay one. I wasn't there long enough, so all the money I contributed, I get to keep, but all the money they contributed, I didn't get to keep due to the fact that I didn't stay at the company long enough. But that's okay. And then I'm gonna just go over all of my stocks, and not all of them, but I'm gonna show you guys. You guys can obviously see all of it and everything right here, and we can see how much percentages I got. Like Apple, I'm up 800, Bud 125, 24, and then so on and so forth. Yeah, Carnival, I don't know why I forgot, but here's the rest of my stocks. I'm up a lot of percentage on all of them. I have 24 stocks, I guess, I think in total, and I'm only negative only 4 stocks out of the 24. I'm not doing too bad, doing pretty good. I have a couple stocks that I have like 95% return rate. One of the craziest stocks, like I don't know how, I think I found it out by Warren Buffett, to be honest with you, about this stock, the CTB, and I bought it when it was during the pandemic. I only bought 82 bucks of it, but I'm almost 100% positive with all my money with it, which is insane because you don't really get that normally with a lot of stocks, unless it's like Tesla. Hell, but we got a couple mutual funds here. I haven't really added money into it or any of my stocks since I've quit working about a month ago. I haven't been able to contribute like crazy, but what I did do for the Apple stock, I sold off. I think I talked about it already in one of my previous videos actually. And then the only thing that really changed is just the value went up a little more. Actually, before we hit another all-time high, I was sitting around this price range, and then before it actually dropped down to like $1,200, like maybe a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, it dropped down really low. And it just depends on what kind of investor you are. You can like if I wanted to, I could have a $2,000 profit, right? If I wanted to just sell it and call it quits, and then invest into other things so I can just do it again. But I don't want to do that because I'm a dividend investor. Like I said earlier, right now in the whole portfolio, my single stock portfolio, I'm up 23%, which is a lot. That's not normal at all. Like the average stock market is like 7 to 10% return rate. That's the S&P 500, and I'm up by 23%. Pretty good, not bad. All right, we're gonna do my my Roth IRA. This is what I did with my old PepsiCo 401k. I actually did a rollover. If you guys don't know what a rollover is when you have one 401k and you just literally change all the money to another 401k. I just did that. just to do so I could have the free will of investing my own money my own way. I broke this down in a previous video. I'll probably throw it up there, link it down below. It's a three lazy head fund. It literally just consists of the S&P 500, the bond of the Vanguard, and Vanguard Total International stock market. And right now, I did this rollover, maybe, I think it was 5 days ago, not even 5 days ago, and I'm already up $61. And mind you, I bought the, look at my my per cost share right here. It's 320, right? And it's just gone up 1.6%, and I have $3,300 in it. So I've gotten $54 just from there. It's this IRA, the rollovers, if you guys were wondering, don't count to your limit cap of I think it was $6,000 contribute to your 401k. If you guys are new to investing, if you open up a separate 401k with Fidelity, you can only do, I think it was $6,000 or $5,000 a year with the 401k. Just got to my dividends that I got for the whole month of October and November up to this point. Actually, I'm going to show you guys what I got so far. And I think I can do a little bit of September, because I don't remember if I showed you guys September. I can't remember how long it's been. But October, I got 88 cents from Coke. I got $2.85 from Redwood. I got 83 cents for S&P 500. I got that was a withdrawal from my PepsiCo stock fund because I quit. And then you got my Philip Morris. We got $4.88 reinvested, and we got my Realty. We got $1.30, and then we got AT&T that actually I just got on the 2nd, $5.29, and I think Exxon is tomorrow. I get an Exxon dividend, which is pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Damn, man, I miss it, man. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. It feels kind of weird. Like, I think this is like my third take taking this outro. It's crazy. But like I said, I hope you guys just stay consistent with investing. You'll get a more money return, especially if you're investing into companies like blue chip companies and dividends. Especially doing that during when it's fluctuating and everything like that. You'll get a bigger return in the long run. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are starting to invest, use my link referral down below to Robinhood to get your free stock, and I'll get a free stock once you sign up using my referral link. And yeah, guys, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and yeah, catch you guys in the next video. I'll see ya. Peace.